Hello, I'm attorney Jared Haddock, and my small Livonia, Michigan law office focuses on helping financially distressed clients all over Southeast Michigan through Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies. I started my practice committed to providing higher quality legal representation more efficiently at more reasonable prices than other, bigger law firms in the area. But more than that, I wanted to provide more compassionate service and more effective results for my clients, whom I have every hope will go on to do some pretty amazing things for themselves and for the rest of the world around them, unburdened by cumbersome debts. I started with a mission statement that I think really captures what it is we're committed to doing in 3 simple words. We improve lives. We start with people first, then their cases, and we really do adhere to that mission from start to finish. Now, I enjoy what I do very much, but I have never met a client yet who started out happy to be in my office. Despite what their bill collectors say, the clients I help are almost always genuinely good people experiencing bad times. While there are some exceptions that involve mistakes that people sometimes make, most of my clients did not end up in financial trouble because of overspending or poor choices. Most people, in fact, live within their means financially until those means change. It's usually the result of something catastrophic and unforeseen. It doesn't take much either. 77% of Americans report living paycheck to paycheck. 77%. 1/3 of Americans are routinely less than 1 paycheck away from homelessness. The only hot meal that 25% of our nation's children will eat today will be provided to them at their public school. Think about that for a moment. 1 in every 4 children in America may not have food available to eat right now. Now, we're the world's breadbasket. We pay farmers subsidies not to grow crops so we can stabilize commodity prices, while 1 in 4 of our own children in this country are hungry. It's bad out there, and it's a struggle for real people who are fortunate enough to have jobs, homes, and food on the table, let alone for those who have suffered a life-changing setback, whether it's a job loss, a wage cut, a medical problem, or disability. So yes, most of my clients were not very happy when they first walked into my office. Nobody ever wants to file for bankruptcy. I know that. I usually tell them, I don't care how you got here, because I know it's not where you want to be. I care about where you go from here, and where you do want to be. I cannot begin to tell you how rewarding it is 6 months, a year, even 2 years later, when clients come back with tears of joy welling in their eyes and say, Jared, I never wanted to be here, but now I know that this was the best thing I ever did. Not just for me, but for my family and my children. Now, my friends sometimes ask me, isn't it depressing hearing about everyone's financial problems day in and day out? Well, it would be if I couldn't do anything about it for them, but I know that I can, and I am. Now, I love my job, and so do my clients. The consultation is free, so what are you waiting for? The best time to begin a life of financial stability is right now. Don't struggle for yet another month, hoping that somehow everything you've tried before over and over again will magically have better results next month than they did last month. When you decide you want a real change, a real fresh start, then let's get started and get you on your way to a better future.